how to fix the issue where Find My iPhone is grayed out on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to turn off Find My iPhone and this option is grayed out, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and fix this. Now, the first step is to go and open up the settings on your phone. You then just need to scroll all the way down to screen time and click on this. You can then scroll down again and click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, go and make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned off and disabled, and once you've done that, you can check to see if that's fixed the grayed out issue. Now, if it's still not working, there could be an issue with your location services. So we're going to open back up the Settings menu, scroll down to Privacy and Security and click on this, then click on Location Services and just make sure that Location Services is turned on and enabled. Now, the next thing you'll need to do is load back up the main settings page, and then we're going to scroll over to Face ID and Passcode and click on this, and then you'll need to enter the passcode to your iPhone. You can then scroll down to where it says Stolen Device Protection and make sure this feature here is turned off and disabled. You can see mine's already set to off. Now, once you've done this, you'll need to force close the settings by swiping up with your finger, and then you can just swipe up on the settings to force close the app. You can then go and reopen the settings and click on your profile name at the top of this page. Go and scroll down to Find My, and you should now be able to select Find My iPhone, and you should now be able to toggle this on or off. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.